Okay, now we start to close back our RV awnings here. So the first step for close awning is to take all the pegs from the legs. Okay, and now I already take out the pegs already, and now loose the height screw here, pulling back. Oh, I'm sorry, I made mistake. I think a lot of people have the same mistake like me. So actually, this inner arm needs to slide in the end of the legs. Then it can fit in the front perfectly. Like this, and I put. Okay, this is done. After you put back the legs to ensure if easy to falling down. Okay, now it's good. Next step, I think, is rolling back the fabric, rolling back the awnings. Just use the handle crank to the reverse the directions and rolling back like this. It's easy, but need to more turns to rolling back. Okay, then it's done. And after you close the awnings and take out the handle crank, and also to fold it to make it in short, and put it well and short now. And putting this good. Okay, this is done.